This model trailer behind me is the Flex 220. It's 2.2 metres long, approximately 2 metres wide, and it's approximately 2 metres high internal headroom. The trailer that's behind me is set up to be a cooking kitchen, complete with extraction systems, refrigeration, lowered counter for you to put your own kit in, or we can help you source and supply that kit, of course, and pump water system. Other colours are available should you want them, and so are different layouts inside the Flex 220. The Flex 220 is based on an unbraked trailer setup. Now the benefits of that to you is it's a much simpler system. There's no brakes to go wrong, and from a maintenance and servicing point of view, it helps keep all those costs right down. The Flex 220 boasts a full width opening hatch with a serving window at the front for additional service points as well. The Flex 220 has a full width serving hatch on it, which means that your customers are able to see exactly what's going on inside the unit, see all the lovely food that you're preparing, and it will entice them to buy more. The hatch also doubles up as a very generous rain cover protection. And on the Flex 220, we also have the ability to serve from the front opening hatch, or you could even think about having multiple queues, one for food and one for drinks, to help keep that revenue stream coming. On this model trailer, regardless of the layout that you choose on the inside, it has a fold down customer shelf that allows them to put their products down whilst they're paying you and to put their sauces on before they leave to enjoy your food. On this range of trailer, it comes with 4 heavy duty wind down corner legs. Now that's important to you because when you get to your next show and event, you have the ability to stabilise every corner of the trailer, meaning when you're working away, you know you're working on a nice solid platform. It's really key to understand the differences between that versus some of the other trailers that are in the marketplace that potentially only have 2 legs or 2 prop stands at the back, and they're relying on putting a lot of weight on the jockey wheel at the front. The benefit of this size and style of trailer is it's on an unbraked trailer system. Now what that means is this can be towed by many different styles of family car, or vehicles that are bigger of course. It makes it easy to manoeuvre, and it also means from a point of view of longer term maintenance and servicing, your costs will be lower because there's no brakes on braking system for you to worry about to keep on top of. One of the key components about this unit as well is that the coupling system and the axle system that's underneath this unit is made by Catering, and they're one of the industry leading providers of components for trailers, under ones that are catering trailers but also caravans that are in the UK. The reason why that's so key is because it means that any parts for your servicing and repairs down the line are going to be readily accessible. We see too often that the other imported trailers that come to the UK have coupling systems or have axles underneath them that are unknown sort of standards for the UK market, and that could present you with problems in terms of maintenance and servicing going forwards. With this trailer, you don't have to worry about that problem. The electrical systems on the Flex range of trailers can be adjusted ever so slightly to suit your needs. As standard, they come with 2 16 amp incoming supplies. We can upgrade them to 32 amp and we can do 3-phase systems. So I encourage you to reach out to us and talk to us about what equipment you want to put inside so we can make sure we get this right for you. The framework which is under this Flex range of trailers is a hot dip galvanised mild steel. Now what that means is the mild steel materials give you the strength that you need for longevity, and then the hot dip galvanising process before the trailer gets assembled means that it's going to be maintenance free and it's going to slow down the corrosion process for years and years to come. The outer layer of the Flex range of trailer is a glass reinforced plastic, also known as fiberglass. Now what that means is it's got very good chemical resistant properties, which means it's durable for the weather, and it's also very strong from a point of view of impact resistance. So here we are inside the Flex 220 model trailer. This is 2.2 metres long, but more importantly, what I want to bring to your attention is the amount of headroom we've got inside these trailers. In old money, I'm 5'10" tall, and we've got 6'6" of clearance, which is about 1.98 metres in metric measurements. The trailer boasts some benefits from electrical outlet points on every wall of the trailer, allowing you to have versatility and flexibility with the appliances you want to use, and it has additional electrical points in the storage cupboards under the dropped cooking counter to allow you to have your appliances in there and plugged in underneath, so all of the wires are out of the way. When you're stood inside this unit right here, you can still see, even though this is the smaller of the Flex 220 range, or the Flex range should I call it, there is ample space inside this unit for at least 3 people if you really choose to. So you have the ability to be a sole trader and work on your own, but it'll also mean that as you start to grow and you start to take on bigger events, you can take on that extra 2, 3, 4 people, knowing that you can still comfortably all get in here and work and have your own space. What I love about the Flex range of trailers is the depth of the workspaces, which is onto the front counter and on the rear counter. They're of a good size, that means you can get some proper commercial catering equipment in here and still have plenty of room for preparation at the same time. This Flex trailer that we're in right now is set up as a kitchen unit. So as standard, it has storage cupboards, storage drawers under the front counter with a 2-door refrigeration unit under the front counter. And then at the back, we've got the full length extraction system with a lowered counter at the underneath it for you to put your equipment on, or we can help you specify that equipment. Please do reach out to us and we can help you in that process. And it has its own dedicated area with cupboard underneath for the pumped water system. This Flex 220 trailer is currently set up to be a crepe outlet. So as you can see here, we've got the ability to get some serious amount of crepes done per minute and per hour, generating you the revenue and the profits you need. Things that your environmental health and hygiene person will be keen on seeing is things that are very, very easy to clean and maintain. So in this one here as an example, the ceiling is lined with stainless steel throughout, which makes it easy to clean and maintain. The walls are either gloss white fiberglass or stainless steel. Once again, easy to clean, easy to maintain, easy to have that professional look. And then the counters that are in this unit are all stainless steel wipeable surfaces. And something we're passionate about as a company, and we double check to make sure that you're getting, is the smallest number of sharp edges wherever we can, or no sharp edges should I say, to make sure that when you're really busy and then you're cleaning down, you have the ability to do that without cutting your hands. All too often do we see other trailers that are brought into us for maintenance and repairs, or do we have conversations with our clients where they've been in another unit or bought another unit second hand, and they end up cutting themselves, or team members cutting themselves really badly from sharp edges or pult workmanship. The Flex 220 has a full width opening hatch, which means that we get to see everything that's going on around us, and our customers get to see exactly what it is that we're promoting and what we're serving. The Flex 220 also has not only the front hatch to be able to serve from, it has a side opening hatch which can be used as a revenue income stream, whether that be additional food outlet or drinks, but it also helps to just have that additional flow of airflow coming through on those really hot days like today. For the latest technical information, specifications and pricing on this Flex unit that's behind me, please go back to the website and download the latest price list, and you should be able to find all the information you need. Worst case scenario, pick up the telephone, speak to myself or one of the team, and we will be able to help find you the solution you need.